This is a public service announcement, this is only a test. Emergency evacuation protest.